Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Karen. Today I want to share a new bracelet with you. Amber with a small Pixiu pendant. So cute. I don't know if you still remember that I once made a video about the Pixiu, like which kind of people are not suitable for wearing a Pixiu. If you haven't watched that video, you can click the recommended video above. So I will use around 6 mm natural amber beads and 1 lapis and the sterling silver beads with 18K yellow gold plated. And then of course, the very cute Pixiu pendant. The special thing about this bracelet is that the pendant can be buckled at your will. And this tiny red bead is Nanhong agate, faceted. Since the holes of the amber are usually quite small, we can only use 2 quarts to make amber bracelets. And don't worry about breaking it easily because amber jewelries are very light. So all we need to do is to finish the bracelet first. Then we use the wrist gauge to check the wrist size, 6.5 inches. Tie 2 knots. Okay, so the bracelet is done, and then we can buckle the pendant. Stretch it a little bit. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and liked this design. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.